Hi guys, I'm here. Me, Janacy, yeah, fair. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, how long, come to the channel and enjoy a little bit with you guys. So today me just choose to vlog a regular day in my life. Yes. So I'm here with my best friend. Come, Jenny. So yeah, this is my bestie. Yeah, she's Jenny. So today we come to the beach to French Manco. So I mean, I know it's me pronouns good, but you guys know that me speak in Spanish. No. I mean, speak English is so good because no one speaking more than before. But yeah, so we are here. Look at how pretty is this place, like beautiful place, a nice beach. So just continue to watch and see what's going on today.
So guys, this is how United pose and she's taking her picture. Girls sitting in the sun. That's my best friend, her. Period.
Yes, sir? Yes, right there. So in there it look better. The picture will look nice in there. Yeah. So guys, we are taking a picture now. Look at Jenny. Yeah, she look pretty. Yeah. So guys, we're here. We are going to get food now because we're hungry. We're hungry bad. Her friends go hungry bad, and this girl on vlog every day her life. So well, it's a good moment, no? Like, you know what is ironic? Like, we from Portland, and guess what? Where we are? Tourists. Exactly, and we from Portland. So guys, I'm here waiting for Jenny to make the order of the food. Look at how pretty she look. Look at how pretty look. So yeah, nice tits, guys. Yeah. So guys, we are looking the menu right now. What's barbecue? Barbecue chicken. Yeah. Someone is fries. And the salad drink. Pina colada. Oh, pina colada. So guys, look at this. Are you enjoying?
So beautiful.
Right? But like 1 to 10? How much?
10.
Taste it. Me want to know. Taste the food.
Tastes good.
Tastes good?
Yeah.
Alright. So we order a barbecue chicken. Me order with fries. And she with festival and salad. Look at that. Guys, literally she eat my food.
Yeah. Me like, yeah. So this guy just randomly asked us to watch his iPhone time. He's like, that looks like an 11. No, that thick. That looks like a 12. That thick. For sure, guys. The same boy asked us to watch his phone, and we're leaving, and we never see him. So same friend them say, where's you with the phone and whatever him say. Him say, if you want to ask my friend a question, right? So him say, I say, what you want to ask her? So she say, you nice, right? So after we don't talk about the phone and everything, boy ask my name. So I say, I'm not cheating her feelings. Come and tell the boy if you're real name and I tell him my real name.
Exactly. So what kind of thing is this? So yes, guys. No, we're just in my hair because me just catch my hair. Like let me just catch it up. Like how cute. So we go. Mission made the same tattoo, but soon. That's what he told you. Charles. Okay, guys.
Guys, a while ago, right, the lifeguard was telling us that there's a cave back here from behind, right?
Yeah.
And then you go in there, nobody can see or anything. So being Jamaicans now, honestly, I don't feel like people fucking at that no. Imagine beach, horniness, fully darkness,
and nobody can see you. And then what I know is deep, like.
So I'm not fucking there.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Personality. Now is the time to swim, you know? Like, we don't have to swim so much, but we don't have to move in the water, you know? Yeah. Hello. India, look at the legs. I mean, we video already. Okay, short on my video. Monkey things, guys. Jamaica. Boy. Me want to try the same thing you want. You carry. This is funny. Oh God. Yeah, my kind of. But you nice to climb, bro. I thought you just put it for me. I have to share for this. Sorry, why? That's why it's good life. Tell them, girl. Yes. Tell them, no man, no problem, just money and adventure. Looking at Portland for you. Which is the best places for fun tourists? Nanny Falls is underrated. I feel like it's a very good place to go. It's just that it's just in some bush. Well, here is really nice. Just bring KFC or something. Just like don't mind the food. The restaurant is good. Like, exactly, and them cost millions for nothing at all. Service. No have a good customer service. Clean skin. Yeah. Clean skin. And brownies. And yeah, curly hair. Period. And everything like we know can be more perfect. But like the cello, you know for the word, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so yeah guys. Period.
Costa Rica, Español, chop line dialing. Cash up, that instant wiring. And the mic and I sing like violin. Hey baby, if you come wiring. Big spenders, the knock of their head mad. Pop malice, be the soul pop tag. Post a pick a word for the in the caption. Can't broke again, I'm at the witch. So guys, we was in the bathroom, so you guys can see that.
We saw Yami and Yahoo boy.
Yeah, like this one is like what do you say, like a trending girl. Like we just asked for makeup and she said, oh yeah, sure. And she was so nice for real. So guys, we are here. We're going to Watano. So 1, 2, 3. So guys, I'm here like watching the saltwater. You know, you need to care of your skis. Whatever. Come back to the topic what me was talking. This is a story time that Joe just passed, right? Look at Jenny. Somebody called and asked the number, and she gave my number. Oh, silly. Yeah, and she gave my number. Right? I mean, never realized until me listen my phone when the person called. So, okay, we laugh and everything. Me call Jenny for her name. And the person say, what's your name again? I say, you give me 2 names, like, so which one? I'm like, what? Me just start to laugh bad, you know? Yeah, we start to laugh bad. And she say she's Amanda. What's the name, Dad? So guys, we leave the beach already. You say she tired of the
vlogging.
Yeah, she tired of this, does she say?
Yeah, but yeah, we leave the beach and we just have fun. Like, it was funny. It was really funny.
nice. The place is nice. So it's a nice spot to stop in there. So yeah. Yeah, you already see. So well, this is the end of this vlog, but you know, like for Gobi one vlog will be the next too, like soon. I mean, I don't know when, but soon. In the next when?
Every day we come back. Every day and we do new adventurous things every day, guys. It's just
I'm funny.
too
Like
much.
this is a simple day for us because normally it's more funny, right? So next time we go vlog and we go post it too. So yeah, so thanks for watch the video. Comment, give a like, you know, a big like, and you know, comment and follow us in
Subscribe.
yeah, and subscribe. Don't forget it. Yeah, don't forget it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, and follow my Instagram. Follow the Jenny Instagram too.
Yeah.
So yeah, Mika put in there. So yes. So bye guys.